Case study based question related to the chapter similarity. The scale factor and similarity. The now question is, maps and models are made on a scale. Measure the distance between any two cities marked in the map and compared it with the actual distance between these cities to get the ratio between the two distances. It means in a map, the distance between two cities. If the distance between 10 kilometer and represented by only 10 centimeter. Okay. The scale is written as a ratio. The ratio is already on marked, written on every map and is known as the scale factor. Now, similar figures, the ratio of two corresponding sides in similar figure is called the scale factor. The ratio of the corresponding sides. Scale factor equal to length of the image to the corresponding length of the object. This is a ratio. If one shape can become another using resizing, then the shapes are similar. Resizing means convert into the same form. Same here. This is a triangle and this is also these are the similar figure. If you rotate, then the figure remains the same. These are the similar. Third one is reflection. Same. And the translation of the slide, these are the same. Hence the two shapes are similar when one can become the other after a resize, flip, slide or turn. मतलब कुछ भी करें, उसको रिसाइज करें, चाहे छोटा बड़ा बनाएं, फ्लिप करें, स्लाइड कर दें या टर्न कर दें, लेकिन the figure remains the same. If now question number 1, a model of duplex is made on the scale of 1:50. The length of drawing room of model is 10 centimeter. What is the actual length of the actual drawing room? The scale factor is 1:50. Okay. Now the image model distance is 10 centimeter and divided by the actual room. The x equal to 50 into 100 plus 500 centimeter means 500 meter. The actual length of drawing room is 500 meter. Okay. Next, if the breadth of an actual drawing room is 4.5 meter, what is the width of the model drawing room is? Now, the ratio is 1:50 and image length of the image is 4.5 centimeter and the actual length is x. So now, the actual length is 4.5 meter model length. Okay. The actual length is, suppose image is this and actual length is 4.5 meter. Now x equal to 4.5 meter means 450 centimeter divided by 50. It means 9 centimeter. This is the width of the model of drawing room. Okay. This is a simple formula. The ratio equal to image, length of the image to the actual length of the object. Next question. Question number 3. If the similar triangles have the scale factor of 1:4, then the ratio of the medians is, the ratio of the sides is also equal to the ratio of their medians. It means the 1:4 ratio, the ratio in the median is also 1:4. If the ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangle is 3:5, then the ratio of their altitude, this is the same question, the ratio of the sides is also equal to the ratio of their altitudes. It means the ratio of their altitude is 3:5. The two shapes are similar when one can become the other after resize, slide, slip and all these. We know that if slide, slip, resize, transpose, turn, in the shapes remains the similar. Therefore, all of these is the answer. This is a case study based question related to the chapter similar triangle. Okay.